Cooktops, also known as stovetops or hobs, are kitchen appliances designed for cooking food using direct heat. They are typically flat surfaces with built-in burners or heating elements where pots, pans, and other cookware can be placed. Cooktops come in various styles and types, including gas, electric, induction, and smooth ceramic glass tops. Gas cooktops use open flames for heat, electric cooktops employ heating coils, and induction cooktops generate heat directly in the cookware through electromagnetic fields. Cooktops' versatility and various heating methods cater to different cooking preferences and techniques, making them a popular choice for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Additionally, some cooktops may include additional and decorative features such as griddles, grills, or specialized burners, further enhancing their functionality and convenience.